write a number. Next, AB whole inverse write as it is equal to A inverse. I into B is nothing but B only. B into A inverse, AB whole inverse is equal to A inverse. AB whole inverse is equal to A inverse. Next, both sides multiply with B inverse. Again take multiplying both sides B. Now B inverse into B, AB whole inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. That B inverse also multiply with left side of A inverse only. B inverse into B value it is capital I. B inverse into B is capital I. Into AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. I into AB inverse is we can write AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. I into AB whole inverse equal to we can write AB whole inverse only. Okay, now clear all of you, or otherwise one more time we have to write explanation.
Clear.
Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Next question. Completed, students?
Yes, ma'am.
1 second, ma'am.
Yeah, right.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Next heading.
Ma'am, and last, where is the I, ma'am?
Last one, I. What, ma'am? Last.
The last, where the I go?
I into AB whole inverse. I is nothing but 1. Okay, I means identity matrix. Students, just remember I into AB whole inverse will get to AB whole inverse only, na?
Okay, ma'am.
Students, please respond. I into AB whole inverse is equal to AB whole inverse. I into A, which is equal to A. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood all of it. I into A, AB whole inverse is equal to, will get you what? AB whole inverse only. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Clear, ma'am.
Next concept is very, very difficult, and that it is very important for board, like the CBSE as well as PU both. It's very important to keep it confusion also there. It is listen carefully on elementary transformation. Elementary transformation. Elimination or elementary operation. Okay. There are 6 operations on a matrix, 3 of which are rows and 3 are columns, which are known as elementary operations. They are applying operations by using rows and columns. That you call it as elementary operations. There are 6 of on a matrix. 3 of which are due to rows and 3 of which are due to columns. Which are known as elementary transformation or elementary operation, anything. First question, students listen carefully. First point, the interchanging of any two rows or two columns what the symbol for that? If interchange of any two rows to any columns, symbolically, the inter ith and jth row is denoted by, students listen carefully, Ri interchange double arrow mark Rj. Ri interchange Rj. Similarly, for columns, Ci interchange. Example, take capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I want to interchange R1 interchange R3. Tell me, students, R1 interchange R3. What is the meaning for that? Interchange the elements, what and all there in the third row, that value is right in the first row. That first row element in the third row. Now tell me, what do you get here?
3, 2, 1.
What do you get here?
3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4.
4.
Okay.
Why even? 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Understood.
4, 5, 6, 1, 2.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Is it clear, all of you? Now, second example. Capital A is equal to 1, 3, 4, 7, 8. C1 interchange C3. I'll take one more also here. 9, 0, -1. C1 interchange C3. Tell me the answer.
7, 8, -1, 4, 5, 0.
What wrong? C1 interchange C3 are taking columns, not rows. Don't tell me the columns. What is C3 columns? In C1
9, 3,
place,
1.
first column, write C3. 9, 0, -1. Students, this is C1, C2 and C3. Students, listen all of you. This is C1. This is C2. This is C3. Now here in the problem given is what? C1 interchange C3 means in place of C1, write C3 elements 0, -1. C2 elements write as it is 3, 5, 8. Next, C3 elements write C1 elements 1, 4, 7. Is it clear, all of you? C1 interchange C3. C1 interchange C3. C1 interchange C3 means, understood all of you, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Change the columns. In place of C3, write C1 elements. Write C1 elements. Is it clear or not? Tell me.
Ma'am, explain it
Yeah,
again,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, that's what, no? For example, third example I'm taking. Third example. Capital A is equal to 1, 2, 1, -1, √3, 1, 5. Now, students, listen carefully here. So this row is R1. This row is R2. This is R3. Okay, here they given 3 rows. Now I'm taking R1 interchange R2. You can take anything, R1 interchange R3. Okay, that depends on problem. Now tell me the answer. R1 interchange R2. In place of R1 elements, in place of first row, write second row elements. In place of R1 first row elements, write second row elements. Now tell me the answer. In place of first row,
Minus root
right?
minus
Second row
1 root 3 1.
1,
minus 1 root 3 1.
1
Next.
2
1, 2,
1.
1.
Yeah, very good. In place of second row, write first element 1 2 1. It is interchanging R1 and R2. But here R3 is I am not taking anything, right as it is. Is it clear now? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, tell them. Next, fourth example I'm taking. Take capital A is equal to 1 2 1 by 7 minus 1 3 1 by 7. Students, listen carefully. This is C1. This is C2. This is C3. Okay, na? Now, I want to change C1 interchange C3. Now, A is equal to. Tell me. In place of C1, write C3.
1 by
In
7.
place of
1 by
C1,
7.
that is in place of first column, write C3 elements. So 1 by 7,
1 by 7.
1 by 7. Second row, second column elements, write as it is.
Root
2
3.
root 3. So in place of third column, write first
1 minus 1.
1 minus 1. Any doubt, students? Please listen. Any doubt? Please
No, no.
respond, all of you. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, no? Yeah. Next. Second point. Next. Multiplication of the elements of any row or column by a non-zero number symbolically multiplication of each element of the ith row by k is denoted by, here k is not equal to 0. Non-zero number means not equal to 0. Is denoted by ith row Ri tends to Kri. Ri tends to Kri. For column Ci tends to Kci. Ci tends to Kci. For example, student, take A, capital A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8. Students, in the first row, I want to multiply with 3. 3 in the first row. Each and every element of first row multiply with 3. How can you write that is R1 tends to 3R1? Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer.
3, 6, 4,
3, 6.
4, 3, 7, 8.
Why 4? Multiply with 3, right?
Oh, shit, 12 now.
Second row, right, as it is. 3, 7, 8. The operation on first row. Students, understood all of you? Here apply operation on first row only, not second row. So multiply with 3. Next. Second one. Take capital A is equal to 1, 2, 1, minus 1, root 3, 1. Now, C3 implies 1 by 7 into C3. For column. In third column, here I am applying column operation. In the third column, multiply with 1 by 7.
1, 2.
1 minus 1, right as it is. 2 root 3
2
also right
root
as
3.
it is. Now tell me. In third column,
1 by 7.
1 by
1
7.
by 7.
Understood all of you? 1 into 1 by 7 is 1 by 7. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, students. Okay, note down, students. Next, one more condition also there. That one I will discuss tomorrow, and we'll start the problems also tomorrow. Okay. If you completed that one means, so matters also get completed. So next we'll see determinants. Okay. We completed all our elementary operations. Matters is also completed. After that, we will start determinants. I think so. Tomorrow, 2 days we want for these elementary operations. After that, only we'll start determinants. Okay, students. Completed all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye.